In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a FAQ page in a Wix website. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor. This is where you'll build and customize your FAQ section directly on the page. If your site is already open, you are ready to move on. If not, just launch the editor and go to the page where you want your frequently asked questions to appear. A FAQ page is a great way to answer common visitor concerns in one place, and it can save time while making your website feel more professional and helpful. Once you are inside the editor, go to the left side menu and click Add Apps. In the search bar, type Wix FAQ when the app appears. Click Add to Site. Give it a few seconds to install after it loads. The FAQ section will be placed onto your site. This app is designed to make organizing questions and answers much easier than building everything manually. So it's a very useful tool if you want a clean and user-friendly support section. Next, click on the FAQ section directly on your canvas and select Manage FAQs. This will open the dashboard where you can control the content of your FAQ area. Here, you can add new questions, write answers, and group them into categories such as shipping or returns. Categories are especially helpful if you have several questions, because they make the page easier to browse and help visitors find the information they need faster. As you write your answers, keep them clear, short, and easy to understand. After your questions and answers are in place, go back to the editor and click the FAQ element again. Then choose Settings. This is where you control how the section behaves and appears on the page. In the display options, you can choose whether to show a search bar, category tabs, and social media share buttons. These features can improve usability, especially if your FAQ section contains a lot of information. Then move into the design options. Here you can customize fonts, colors, divider lines, and icon styles, so the FAQ section matches the rest of your website branding. Try to keep the design consistent with your site so the page feels polished and cohesive. Once you are happy with both the content and the design, click Publish in the top right corner to make the page live. That's it. Thanks for watching.